Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Highlander spare tire. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface, away from any moving traffic. Engage the parking brake for added safety. Next, gather all the essential tools, including the jack, lug wrench, and any other items found with your spare. Knowing where everything is located will make the process much smoother. Now, let's access the spare tire. Open the rear hatch of your Highlander and lift the cargo floor cover. You'll typically find a storage tray beneath it. Remove this tray to fully expose the spare tire. Look for the central hold-down bolt or a cable mechanism that secures the tire in place. This is what we'll need to loosen to free the tire. To lower the spare tire, use your lug wrench to turn the central hold-down bolt counterclockwise. Keep turning until the tire begins to lower and is completely free from its mounting point. Once it's fully detached, carefully slide the spare tire out from underneath your Highlander. Be mindful of its weight and any obstacles around it. After successfully removing the spare, place your flat tire into the spare tire's original location in the cargo area. Secure it using the hold-down mechanism to prevent it from shifting while driving. Remember, a spare tire is for temporary use, so get your flat repaired or replaced soon. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite for all your reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.